to turn off WhatsApp without disconnecting Wi-Fi and mobile data. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can disconnect WhatsApp without Wi-Fi and mobile data without turning it off. So let's begin with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So first thing first, you need to launch your WhatsApp application onto your device. After you are done launching your WhatsApp application onto your device, you'll be able to find the three dot at the above at the right side of the corner. Just click on it and tap on settings. After tapping on settings, you're going to look up for the option called storage and data. When you scroll down a bit, you should be able to find that option. Just click on it. And after clicking on it, you'll be finding this option called proxy here. Under use less data for calls, you can find that option called proxy. Just click on it and just turn on this option. After that, you will type in 1.1.1 on your proxy host. After that is done, you're going to leave the chat port as default and media port as default as well. Have that check mark right on it and get back, and after that is done, it is connected. So what that happens is basically it turns off, it has already turned off your WhatsApp after that you have done that. But other than that, you may just close the application and head over to the WhatsApp app, and you're going to long press on the WhatsApp application. After that, you're going to find this info section at the top. Just click on it, and after that is done, you're just going to force stop the app. Just click on force stop, confirm it, and that should basically fix your issue. So that's how you basically turn off WhatsApp without disconnecting Wi-Fi or mobile data. So follow the same steps in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.